Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to zoom in on a specific part of a video in Davinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Davinci Resolve program right here on your PC if you haven't already. And after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the project page where we can get started creating a new project and adding our media. So as you can see, here's my project menu and I have added the videos that I want to zoom in on. So what I want to do is go ahead and drag the videos that I want to zoom in right here on the timeline, and now we can get started with editing them. So what you want to do is go ahead and find a specific part of the video that you want to zoom in. So as you can see, here is our specific part. Let's say here I want to go ahead and get started zooming in. What I'm going to do is use the zoom option guys. To be able to use the zoom option, we're going to go right here into the upper right corner, click on the inspector menu, and after clicking the inspector menu, it's going to open up this new menu of all the options we can use, and one of them guys is called dynamic zoom. So what you want to do is go ahead and enable dynamic zoom. As you can see, this is going to go ahead and zoom in on our video in HD. You can manage how much you want to zoom it. As you can see here, you have the zoom option and so on, so you can go ahead and manage to zoom into any option that you might want to use, any specific part of the video, and so on. As you can see right here, you can manage with all the options. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.